2 kisses.
This little but mind out, Lila.
Sorry.
This crazy furred little guy is
He
called
loves kisses.
Beauregard's Edgar Meowington.
And he loves kisses.
Come on, gorgeous.
And he loves kisses.
He does love kisses. They all love kisses, don't they, and hugs.
Yes, I hate them.
Come on, look at this fur already. He's going to have an amazing coat.
Mum,
Come on.
can we just snap in a minute?
We'll play snap in a minute. Hello, Edgar. You're very good at posing, aren't you? You're posing for me.
He posed.
He did pose. Look at him. Lie
Aw,
down.
good.
Let him have a little look around. Oh,
He loves me.
gorgeous boy.
He loves me. He loves me.
Edgar. Edgar.
He loves me.
Of course he loves you.
He always loves me into between our maths. When I'm at school, Mum.
Shh, we're talking a minute. Edgar. Edgar. He was so gorgeous, Edgar. Bye bye, little boy.